Now, it is day 19 of farmers' protests, and farmers are in no mood to relent until the new farm laws are struck down. At Delhi's Ghazipur border, some farmers stopped traffic on the Delhi-Ghaziabad road, NH9. In fact, the blockade lasted 10 minutes. The farmers currently are on a 9-hour hunger strike. 40 farmer leaders and unions are sitting on a hunger strike spread across of Delhi's borders. They will sit on a hunger strike until 5 p.m. today. Later today, farmers will have a meeting at the Ghazipur and other borders as well, where the protests are on, and they're going to discuss the strategy for the coming days. Leaders from different locations are also likely to meet tomorrow at the Singhu border. The agitating farmers continue to demand for a complete rollback of 3 new farm laws and also want the government to make a law which guarantees MSP.
आज अनशन आपका शुरू है।
शुरू हो गया।
क्या आगे 5 बजे तक आगे भी इसको कंटिन्यू रखना है?
5 बजे तक है अभी, तो फिर क्या पता क्या होगा। अभी 5 बजे तक है।
क्या आपको लगता है क्या कि ये अनशन जो है वही एक रास्ता बचा है या और भी रास्ता था आगे, और भी तैयारी?
और भी रास्ते बहुत हैं। हाँ, सारे अभी क्यों बताए थे? अभी तो बहुत है।
तो ये शांतिपूर्वक रास्ता आपने पहले?
शांति, हमारे तो रास्ते तो सारे शांति से ही चलते हैं। जो उनका चलने का जो पथ है वो शांति पथ तो है हमारा।
धरना जब तक चलेगा तब तक केंद्र सरकार ये किसान विरोधी बिल तीनों वापस नहीं लेती और एमएसपी को कानून के दायरे में नहीं लाती, तब तक किसान ये यहीं डटे रहेंगे।
हम तो चाहते हैं सरकार की अंतरात्मा जगे और उसकी अंतरात्मा जग कर वे इन काले कानूनों को वापस ले और दूसरा किसानों को उनकी उपजों के दाम देने के लिए न्यूनतम समर्थन मूल्य पर खरीद की गारंटी का कानून बनाए।
We're cutting across to Anisha Mathur joining us live from the Ghazipur border. In fact, Anisha joining us from Singhu border. Anisha, what do you see there? The farmers on a hunger strike. They plan to strike until 5 p.m. this evening. Many of the borders being blocked. They attempted to block the Delhi-Ghazipur border, but for about 10 minutes. It's peaceful protest largely, is it?
Well, Nabila, it's been largely a peaceful protest for the last 19 days. If I'm going to ask my camera person to show you on my right here, there is this. That is the tent where the people are standing and making speeches. There are hundreds of people who are sitting on the road today. Today has been a call for expanding and intensifying the protest, where trucks and tempos and their tractors, which had been at the back, have now been brought forward to where the barricades of the Delhi police are. A lot of people are today on the road. For the last 18 days, they've been sitting in their tractors as a protest just for the dharna, but today they're on the road. They are making speeches, slogans against the government, saying that the government is not listening to them. The call has also gone out for a nationwide protest outside the district headquarters in every state. So we're also getting reports from various places about dharnas being conducted in various states. In Delhi particularly, the Singhu border, of course, has been completely blocked for the last 19 days. This entire protest starts from the Singhu border toll booth, almost beyond Kundli, which is about 5 to 6 kilometers away. That is the number, that is the sheer number of people who've come here and the protest. Similar scenes are being seen at the Tikri border. At Ghaziabad, of course, they tried to stop traffic at the Ghazipur border, but that has been opened up again. There were bids to stop the Delhi-Jaipur highway yesterday. The farmers are basically saying that they're going to continue intensifying the protest because they're not happy with the government's stand on this issue. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, thank you very much. Do stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to Kumar Kunal, who's reporting from the Ghazipur border, where farmers did attempt to block the border area, but for just 10 minutes. Kumar, take us through what really happened. They blocked it, but for 10 minutes, eventually traffic was allowed to move further. Peaceful protest largely is what we believe. Hunger strike is what the farmers are sitting on, hoping for the government to eventually heed to their demands.
See, one thing is very clear, that the protest is going to be more intense in days to come. as the number of farmers are really swelling at various borders, including at the Ghazipur border. And what we have seen in last few days, that hundreds of farmers from various areas of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, they have arrived at Ghaziabad, Ghazipur border. And what actually today happened, that for 10 minutes the young farmers, they tried to stop the carriageway which was opened earlier and which is coming from Delhi towards Ghaziabad. As we talked to several senior leaders and who are still a part of the protest, they are talking that at today after 5 p.m. there will be a strategy meeting at Ghazipur border and they will decide the future course of action. Tomorrow again, after 11 a.m. there will be a crucial meeting at Singhu border where all the farmer leaders will sit together at 11 to 2, and then the future strategy will be taken, the discussion over future strategy will take place. What we are learning from our sources, that farmers are telling all the leaders in their area that they should come in big numbers, even from Punjab, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. So there is a likelihood that tomorrow there will be a massive increase in numbers of the protesters at various borders, and then the future strategy will take place, what it will be. So far, largely it is peaceful. There is no untoward incident. Even those who have blocked the road today at Ghazipur border, they have been convinced by the senior leaders, and again the road has been vacated. Just one carriageway has been stopped right now. So all these things are happening, but all the eyes on the future meetings, where it will be decided that what will be the future course of action.
That's precisely what we're hoping to, that there would be some respite on both ends, to the government as well as to the farmers. Could they come to a middle ground is what we're all hoping for. Now, expressing solidarity with the protesting farmers, Punjab DIG Prisons on Sunday resigned from his post. He's expected to join the farmers' protest in Delhi. Let's take a listen to his exclusive conversation with India Today's Manjeet Sehgal.
The prestigious post which you are talking about was bestowed upon me due to the hard work of my father, who was a farmer himself. So, being from a farmer community, I was watching TV, seeing the program, continuously monitoring the things going, and I felt very hurt over the developments which are taking place, over the ordnance bills. People are protesting in these cold nights, and you see, somebody must listen to their grievances, and they must decide on this issue at the earliest, so that no more people go, the farmers don't have to face the agony of the weather and the circumstances they are going through. So somebody must take care of their grievances.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.